Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a SHEIN affiliate. The first thing I want you to do is actually be in a country that accepts SHEIN affiliate. So if you're not, you can change your country. Come to the bottom right, click on your me icon, and then I want you to just go ahead and click on this gear cog at the top right, and then here you'll see location. Make sure you choose a location like the United States or the available countries in Europe or UK, and then you just come here and click on search bar. Click on affiliate right here. You can just search up affiliate if you don't see that, and then all you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down here and click on sign up. Right, as you can see right there, accept the terms and service. Go ahead and accept this, and then all you need to do is, after you've authorized your access, you need to just go ahead and authorize a connection to your accounts. Your social media accounts can be authorized by just clicking right here on authorize, and then you just go ahead and connect your social media accounts. And once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and wait for approval. Then you can share your referral code and convert links for different items. Right here, as you can see, we have some items. You can just click on earn and share those specific links, and you can start earning. You'll see your dashboard right here, how much you've made. We have $2 already. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.